Have you ever wondered about your rights and responsibilities as a consumer? Now imagine a group of students who not only pondered this question, but also took action to ensure everyone in their school community understood their consumer rights. This is the story of the Alliance of Student Consumers from Camarines National High School. Born out of curiosity and a strong sense of advocacy, the Alliance of Student Consumers was formed. This group of dedicated students recognized the need for everyone in their school community to be informed and empowered consumers. Aware that the Department of Trade and Industries, designated as the National Consumer Affairs Council, had the Department of Education as one of its implementing agencies, these students saw an opportunity. They knew they could make a difference, and they seized it. The mission of the Alliance of Student Consumers was clear from the start. They aimed to educate and empower their peers about their rights and responsibilities as consumers. The Alliance wanted to ensure that everyone in their school community was equipped with the knowledge to make informed decisions, to understand the potential consequences of their choices, and to recognize when their rights were being infringed upon. The Alliance didn't just stop at educating their peers, they also worked tirelessly to support the National Consumer Affairs Council in implementing programs, projects, and activities for consumer protection within their school community. They reached out to officials, requested their cooperation, and won their support. The Alliance of Student Consumers was not just a student group, they were change makers within their community. The Alliance of Student Consumers has had a profound impact on the Camarines National High School community. The students, teachers, and other members of the community are more informed, more empowered, and more confident in their roles as consumers. They understand their rights, they know their responsibilities, and they feel supported in exercising these rights and fulfilling these responsibilities. The formation of the Alliance of Student Consumers is a testament to the power of student-led initiatives. It shows that when students are curious, proactive, and dedicated, they can bring about significant change. It illustrates the positive influence that students can have on their school communities, and it underscores the importance of consumer education and protection. The story of the Alliance of Student Consumers is a story of empowerment, education, and advocacy. It is a story that reminds us all of the importance of understanding our rights and responsibilities as consumers. And it is a story that continues to inspire other students and schools to take action, to become informed consumers, and to make a difference in their communities.